Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. Quick one for you this week because I just need to ask for your help for a second. Over the years, I have done quite a few top 5 videos. People seem to love compilations and list videos. Number 3 on the top 5 money makers list is the keychain, believe it or not. And so they've always been my personal top 5 picks of whatever. Top 5 best things that I sell at the markets, or top 5 projects overall that I've done, or top 5 this or that. This time I want it to be about what you guys think. And I have made a lot of boxes over the years. So I have compiled a playlist that I'll leave up in the corner and down in the video description of this video of about a dozen or so of the box videos that I've created here on the channel. And I want you to tell me which one is your favorite. I've made boxes on the lathe. I've made boxes with hinges. I've made boxes with lifty lids. I've made boxes, all kinds of boxes. I've made a lot of boxes. And it could be that you like the box itself. It could be that you like the story behind the making of the box. It could be that you like the reason for the box. It could be that you like the video production of telling the story of making the box. I want you to tell me your favorite box out of the ones that I've collected for you, or your favorite box video. And let me know down in the comments of this video which one is your favorite and why. The why is important because I want to rank them in terms of, I don't know how I'm going to figure it out exactly, but there will be some that will be on the list because of the video. And there will be some that will be on, some that'll be on the list because of the actual box, the quality of the box itself. And so I think this will be a fun sort of community project for us to determine the best 5 box videos that I've created over my, 8 years of doing this here on the channel. Because it's always been my thoughts on things. I could pick my favorite boxes and tell you what they are. But I think it'd be more fun to get that information from you guys. So, down in the comments of this video, leave your pick for which one is your favorite and why out of the ones that I've selected. Because, let's be honest, a lot of things could be considered a box. Cabinets are kind of like boxes with boxes in them and doors. And what's a lid but a door, you know? So but these ones are things that I have called a box, as opposed to a cabinet or a chest or anything like that. Technically, maybe all boxes. But things that I have called a box when I was making them, that's what I've picked. There's about a dozen of them in the playlist that I've picked from to give you guys options. If you don't remember them, just go watch them again. They're on the internet. And let me know in the comments of this video, and I will rank them appropriately, and then I'll create a top 5 video about this process and what we determined together about my best 5 boxes. So that's it for this one, everybody. That's all I had for this week. I need your help to decide what my best 5 boxes are, or my best 5 box videos, whatever. However we're doing it, leave them down below. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. Be kind to each other and be kind to yourselves. Bye for now. See you next time. All right. Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. I got a quick one for you this week because I just need to ask for your help. I have done a few of the top 5 favorite X's. Okay, that's it. That's all I'm doing this week. I'm just asking for your help. Please, down in the comments, let me know the best box video that you think I have made, or the best box you think I've made, or whatever, out of the ones that I've picked. That's it. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, everybody. We'll see you again soon. Be kind to yourselves, be kind to each other. And until next time, go make a thing or, appreciate things. Appreciate things. If you're not going to make anything, appreciate some of the things that have been made that you have. Maybe. I don't know. I don't have a good way to end this. I'm just going to keep talking until I decide that I'm done.